Hey there! If you're having trouble finding your Reminders app in the notification settings on your iPhone, don't worry. It can be a bit annoying, especially when you depend on it to keep track of your tasks. This issue might pop up for a few reasons, like software glitches, incorrect settings, or app permissions. Let's troubleshoot and get this sorted out together. Before you dive into the steps, here is what you should do first. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Turn off low power mode. Make sure silent mode is off. Now, let's move on to the main process. Solution 1. Correct the notification settings. Open the Settings app, then scroll down a bit. Next, tap on Notifications. After that, tap on Show Previews. Select Always. Go back to the previous menu. Scroll down until you find Reminders. Enable Allow Notifications. Then turn on Time-Sensitive Notifications. Tap Sounds and ensure your preferred sounds are turned on. Next, tap Show Previews. Select Show. Now, it's time to restart your iPhone. This should help resolve the issue. If you are still having trouble, don't worry, let's try the next solution. Solution 2. Turn off Mute Notifications. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down a bit. Then tap on Apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Reminders. After that, scroll down some more. Turn off the Mute Notifications option here. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Look for Reminders in the list of apps. After that, tap Offload App, then tap Offload again to confirm. After that, tap Reinstall to bring the app back. If you're still encountering issues, you can try deleting the app and reinstalling it from scratch. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue with the Reminders app not showing up in your notification settings on your iPhone. If you're still having problems, consider reaching out to Apple support for further help. Good luck and happy organizing!